What is up, everybody? Ace Motorsports bringing you guys another video. I just got here. Quick little update. I picked up this trailer. Drop a comment down below what you think. I'm just gonna say, if you know, you know. And then here are these jet skis that are coming in for some maintenance. Super clean bikes. Kind of like buying some. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that content. I'm thinking about going to like Laughlin or something like water-wise. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. And then I have these two dirt bikes right here. Suzuki 200S, full maintenance. Carb clean, full maintenance, new battery, everything brand new. So my boy, he's going to Miami. So I'm getting them all ready for him. This one as well. Well, not new spark plug, but full maintenance, except for spark plugs. So those are. Here's a Polaris Trailblazer 330, a Can-Am DS250. I will be doing videos on how to do an oil change on this bike, that bike, these two bikes. Maybe I could do a video if you guys are interested in the jet skis. They're almost ready. The Honda is up for grabs. If you guys seen it on OfferUp, you guys know this bike's good. So, you know, I'm asking a little high. Talk to me. We'll work something out. In regards to the Banshees, I should be picking up another Banshee sometime this week or next week. We will be getting the body, like the engine and everything from that Banshee that's bent, the frame that's bent, and I'll be throwing it on that Banshee. And in that Banshee, I will be either selling parts. I'm not sure yet. Honestly, depends how I'm doing with cash. Still got the frame right here. If I do get the other Banshee, this frame, it's gonna be a waste of money because the other Banshee literally has a blown up engine. This engine is good. I got my Banshee up here. If you guys seen the video of my welded A-arm, there it is. Well, I'm just leaving it up there. I took off all the plastics off. I'm going to be buffing out the pipes, doing mad cleanup on this bike. I'm retired for a little bit. No more riding for a cool minute. This bike, we will be taking it to a shop. I didn't figure out why it's not starting. I think it's timing or something to do with this bike. But for me, officially, I'm done. I can't do any more. This bike is running. We need a new key ignition. It's broken. Should be up soon. This bike, complete maintenance, oil change, tranny, everything, filter change, everything. New carb clean, everything has to be done to these two bikes right here. So you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and like the video, subscribe. And then a Chinese bike, it has no spark. I'm going to be chasing down the spark, but right now I'm too busy for that. So yeah, it's a quick little update. In the trailer, I still have the blue Banshee and a Trailblazer. Both are in running condition. Storing them in there, as you can tell. I need more room. It's going really good right now, guys. I'm really excited for those jet skis. I'm hoping everything turns out, you know, good with them. Sit there. I already have them running. I just need to get a new battery for that one over there. This one's ready to go. Trailer is super clean. Everything about these jet skis are super clean. That quad's going back to my uncle. It's ready, it's running, it's carb clean, everything's dialed. And in that trailer, I will be doing a build on that trailer, taking off the dirt bike racks and then doing like a little gate all the way around it for my quads, buying the wheel wells. So you guys are interested in fab work when it comes to welding and all that stuff, go and subscribe. My boy Sebas, and I'm gonna try to help him the best I can. We're gonna be doing that soon. So that is just a quick little update on what is going on. If you guys are interested on those how-to videos like the oil changes and all that, just drop a comment down below. If anyone needs any tips on any of these bikes, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. But I do need they're just asking me. Sometimes I feel like it's not a waste of my time, but yeah, like I feel like not too many people have questions, or maybe they do. I know I always look at videos when it comes to mechanic work. So hopefully you guys do. Any questions in regards to any of these bikes, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you guys. But there you guys have it. Ace Motorsports, another video. Let's get to it, guys. Go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.